Okay, for exercise number 5, the first thing that you want to notice is that we are working in inches on this one. And if you look at some of the dimensions, the overall dimensions of this shape, it's 4 inches all the way across the front. It has a depth of 2.5 inches, and then it has a height of 3.5 inches. We will start this design by making a block with those dimensions. So here we go. Make sure you select feet and inches in SketchUp. I'm going to go ahead and draw a rectangle 4 inches by 3.5 inches. Zoom extents. And then I'm going to just pull this out 2.5 inches. 2.5. Alright, so now I have the overall shape of the block. The next thing that I would recommend doing is if we go to the actual drawing, we see that there's this shape that's cut out all the way across. Well, I could draw a rectangle right here on the side, on the right side, and push it all the way through, or I could draw a rectangle on the front and push it back. It says that it goes down 1 inch, and then it's cut out 1/2 inch. So let's see if we can do that. I'm going to draw it across the front 4 inches, because we want to go the length of the block, and then it's 1 inch tall. Here we go. And then this gets pushed back 1/2 inch, 0.5 inches. Alright. We want to cut this V shape out. I'm going to go to the back for this, draw the V, and this point right here is 2 inches from the edge, and then it's 1.5 inches from the bottom. So let's see if we can do that. I'll go back here. Use my measuring tape. 2 inches from the edge, 1.5 inches from the bottom, and then all I have to do is connect the corners to that and push it through. I'm going to push it through to the first surface. You'll notice that it doesn't delete the whole thing, so I actually have to go back and click the eraser tool to get rid of that. And then I need to finish going all the way through, just like that. Alright, so now the overall block is done. The only thing that I have to do now is cut the hole through the side. I'm going to get rid of these, well, we'll leave those for now. If you notice, this hole actually has a diameter of 1.5 inches. The center of the hole is 1.5 inches from the bottom and 1 inch in from the back. So let's see if we can draw a circle, and then there's one last thing that we have to do to finish this off. So it's 1 inch from this edge, 1.5 inches up from the bottom. It has a diameter of 1.5, so it's asking for the radius, 0.75 inches. You can also use fractions. And now I want to cut this all the way through, but you'll notice that it leaves me with this surface right here that I need to get rid of. The way we get rid of that is by highlighting everything, right-click with your mouse, select Intersect Faces with everything selected, or with selection, and now I can actually just click on that, erase it, click on that surface, that line, and erase it. And it's complete. To finish this off, I will get rid of the axes and the guidelines. Remember to add dimensions before you submit it. Other than that, that's all there is to it. Okay, good luck.